German, English weather flashcards. The English name is at the top and the German one at the bottom. So I'll read the English one first and then the German. Okay, let's go. Weather, das Wetter. Weather, das Wetter. Temperature, die Temperatur. Temperature, die Temperatur. Hot, heiß. Hot, heiß. Cold, kalt. Cold, kalt. Sun, die Sonne. Sun, die Sonne. The sun is shining. Die Sonne scheint. The sun is shining. Die Sonne scheint. A rainbow, der Regenbogen. Rainbow, der Regenbogen. Rain, der Regen. Rain, der Regen. It is raining. Es regnet. It is raining. Es regnet. Cloud, die Wolke. Cloud, die Wolke. Fog, der Nebel. Fog, der Nebel. It is foggy. Es ist nebelig. It is foggy. Es ist nebelig. Wind, der Wind. Wind, der Wind. It is windy. Es ist windig. It is windy. Es ist windig. Snow, der Schnee. Snow, der Schnee. It is snowing. Es schneit. It is snowing. Es schneit. Lightning, die Blitze. Lightning, die Blitze. It is hot. Es ist heiß. It is cold. Es ist kalt. It is hot. Es ist heiß. It is cold. Es ist kalt. Sign up for my newsletter. The link is in the bio to get these weather flashcards for free till the 31st of July. And if you sign up after that, you will get the monthly freebies for the next month for free. So even if you miss this month, we have monthly freebies every month. So click the link, sign up for the newsletter, and then you can get these awesome printable weather cards. Print them twice and you have a memory game. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a video like this every month for each freebie.